equal in his eyes, whether the good times or not times that aren't. Kafi shamarno, like we said, and I know it's difficult. It's difficult for me, you know. Even, I try to tell myself that, recently I lost a job. I was a rabbi of a shul, and it was a nice amount of money, part-time job on the side. But I say thank you, thank God I still have my full-time job and my other part-time job, even though I missed my shul job, and it was the way it was taken away with me. It was a big bizyonis, and it's very difficult. But we try our best. But then, Baruch Hashem, we have a new pet here that we're enjoying. We actually got 2 new pets, so we have 4 pets now. We have a beautiful family, a beautiful house. Thank God. And we're able to learn Torah together. What's better than that? So